Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making Mexican spiced chicken and veggie tacos with grilled corn. So we've got our grill heating up, and in this large bowl we have a little bit of oil in the bottom. We're going to toss in our bell pepper, we have some zucchini, and we also have our chicken pieces. Get this tossed a little bit to start. Now we have a spice mixture of chili powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and also we have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, some salt and some pepper, and this is going to go in to our chicken and veggies. Alright, we're going to make sure everybody gets nice and coated. We really want to make sure that everybody is coated because we're not putting any oil on the grill. We've rubbed our corn with oil. It is ready to go. We have some green chilies here and some sour cream. And this is just going to be kind of a condiment for our tacos when they're done. Okay, set that aside. And we're ready to begin grilling our chicken and our veggies. Make sure you kind of keep everybody moving, getting that nice char. All right, we're going to pull some off. All right, we're ready to grill our corn. So it's already been rubbed with oil. Just pop it on the grill. And we're just going to char it on all sides, and then we're going to roll it in a salad supreme mixture. All right, at this point, our corn is grilled, so we're going to pull it off. So we're going to take our salad supreme mixture, spread it out on a plate. Also have some lime zest. That. We are going to roll our corn. Simple as that. All right, and all that is left is to assemble your tacos, plate it up and serve. So we're going to plate it and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.